Seniors, only one daily habit to regain your muscle strength, like you're 40. Again. Tired of feeling your muscles weaken? Do you dream of having the energy and strength you had in your younger years? Imagine effortlessly lifting groceries, playing with your grandkids, and feeling vibrant again. This video reveals the single most important daily habit that can help you regain your muscle strength and feel like you're 40 again. Sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, is a common challenge for seniors. It's a gradual decline in muscle mass and strength that can significantly impact your quality of life. This loss of muscle affects your ability to perform everyday tasks. Simple things like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or even getting out of a chair can become difficult. Muscle strength is crucial for maintaining mobility and balance. Strong muscles help you stay steady on your feet and move with confidence. Reduced muscle strength significantly increases the risk of falls. Falls can lead to serious injuries, hospitalizations, and a loss of independence. Stronger muscles translate to higher energy levels. When you have more muscle mass, your body burns more calories, giving you sustained energy throughout the day. Muscle mass plays a vital role in metabolism and weight management. More muscle helps regulate blood sugar and burn fat more efficiently. Studies show that muscle strength is linked to improved cognitive function. Maintaining a muscle mass can help keep your mind sharp and focused. Boosting muscle strength can also improve your mood and overall well-being. Feeling physically strong can lead to increased confidence and a more positive outlook on life. The single most effective daily habit for regaining muscle strength is prioritizing protein consumption. Protein is the building block of muscle, and it's essential for repairing and growing muscle tissue. Protein plays a crucial role in muscle repair and growth, especially as we age. It provides the amino acids our bodies need to rebuild and maintain muscle mass. Let's debunk some myths about protein intake for seniors. Many believe that older adults don't need as much protein, but the opposite is true. We need even more to combat muscle loss. The recommended protein intake for seniors is between 1.0 to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. This means a 150-pound person, 68 kg, should aim for 68-82 grams of protein daily. Incorporate protein-rich foods into every meal. Excellent sources include lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, and lentils. For breakfast, try options like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein shake. These are quick and easy ways to kickstart your protein intake for the day. Lunch ideas include chicken salad, tuna salad, or lentil soup. These provide a good balance of protein and other essential nutrients. Dinner options could be grilled, fish, lean beef, or chicken breast. Pair these with vegetables and whole grains for a complete and balanced meal. Snacks are a great way to boost your protein intake between meals. Consider nuts, seeds, cottage cheese, or a protein bar. Let's create a simple daily routine that incorporates protein into every meal. Start with a protein-rich breakfast, followed by a protein-packed lunch and dinner. Here's a sample daily meal plan with protein highlights. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, 20 grams protein. Lunch, chicken salad sandwich on whole wheat bread, 30-gram protein. Dinner, grilled salmon with roasted vegetables, 40 grams protein. Snacks, handful of almonds, 6g protein, and cottage cheese, 25g protein. Consistency is key to seeing results. Make protein consumption a daily habit, and you'll start to notice a difference in your strength and energy levels. Track your progress and how you feel. Keep a food journal to monitor your protein intake and note any improvements in your energy, strength, and overall well-being. Share your experiences and favorite protein-rich recipes in the comments below. We want to create a supportive community where we can learn from each other. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice specifically tailored for seniors. We're here to help you live your healthiest and most fulfilling life. Let's support each other on this journey to regain our muscle strength and vitality. Share this video with your friends and family who could benefit from this information. Remember, protein is essential for maintaining and regaining muscle strength as we age. It's the key to feeling younger, more energetic, and more confident. Prioritize protein intake in your daily routine. Make it a non-negotiable part of your diet, and you'll be amazed at the results. Don't let age define your physical capabilities. You have the power to regain your strength and vitality. Start today, and you'll be on your way to feeling like you're 40 again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.